everyday daily routine, but you have to, no need to make a good videos, no need to make more editing, you need to make more views and watch hour. So if you are finished that and you are applying monetization, and then you make it a good videos. But for now, everyday uploading, everyday continue watching, continue vlogging, and maybe one of your video will trending, will viral, and some people they love your video, maybe they will subscribe you, and yeah, they saw that, this lady is beautiful, I love it, I like it, like that. Yeah. So do you know that my channel is Jungle Boy Stream? It's my second channel. uh, I will be do it by January, and that's why I will not making application for 4 months. I have one, we call that, warning on my channel. So I'm just finishing this task. Then by the end of this May, I will apply monetization again for my Jungle Boy stream. So I hope maybe one of my friends or my members on this channel will make join on the next channel. I hope. So every day I hope like that. And don't stop. This is my advice to you. Don't stop your dreams. Have a lot of content. If you are small bloggers, small YouTuber, some people shy, some people on the first time, like, I didn't make it that I do. Maybe you are shy in the front of camera, but I see you are beautiful, so you're not hiding on your life. You can talk to everyone. It's okay. 15 million. Hello, Megalab. Shout out USA. Good morning, everyone. And to all the people in Brazil, maybe they have returning back the electricity in the part of year, because we have disaster like 2 weeks ago or 1 week ago from Brazil. So maybe I have I may not see all the people in Brazil, like Philippines, and some people like MacPherson. I didn't see now. Maybe they don't have electricity. Have a lot of disaster. Okay, anyway, thank you so much guys for the support. Oh guys, thank you guys. Thank you so much. $20 million people. Thank you. Thank you so much.